You ever hear how people go on and on about how much they love their car until they love their car? You understand me? In today's video, we have an Infiniti Q70L. That's ready for a new look. Ready for some new skin. Ready for a new wrap. Now you see that the white paint is currently in good condition. I'm talking about like a flawless condition for the age of this vehicle. But this wrap is only gonna protect it. It's only gonna make it last longer, and it's also gonna give it that pow. Cause that new color, oh my God, you gotta see it. Now we gotta do a few things before we get started with this vehicle. We're gonna be doing the calipers also. We're gonna color match those to the wrap. Currently they're orange, but everything's gonna make sense in the end. Now we're gonna vinyl wrap this vehicle. The color we're going with is a metallic red. We're gonna go with the vinyl frog materials. This here is Vampire Red. That color there is really gonna set this car off. And as mentioned, that's vinyl frog. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, break down the parts we need to on this vehicle. Then it's on to a new look. Let's go. that concludes the end of the video. And if you're a subscriber, you already know what time it is. Let's go. So here we got the Infiniti Q70, man. This is a large vehicle right here. Luxury type, luxury paint. This here's a vinyl wrap. We hit it with that Vampire Red. You see that symbol in the middle, right? We topped it off, man. We made that chrome stand out a whole lot more than it already does. Complement this vehicle very well, man, because chrome coming back in style if you want to base it off this car right here. You take it all the way around, and you see this color right here, you get that candy apple red because it has those silverish metallic effects. Then you go to the brake calipers. We wrap those in the same color to match. We got it on the front and back. And like I said, we take it around, man. That chrome black just complements this vehicle, sets it off right. Then you come to the back side. Everything just complements itself. Everything just looks good, man. Tell me what you think, though. I don't know. You tell me. You think chrome gonna make its comeback? You think this car here looks better with this new color? Or you think that boring white was it? Nah, leave it in the comments though. Let me know what you think. But this right here, we hit it with that vinyl wrap. So what we did, we practiced safe painting. We wrapped this joker up, man. If you're interested in one of these t-shirts, check out our website at newtouchauto.com. You'll find that we have more things available also other than apparel. Now, for my subscribers, man, I appreciate y'all from the heart. For those who haven't subscribed, thank y'all for watching this video and hit that subscribe button down below. I'll catch y'all on the next video.